science on the topic why would I never elude on a Python assignment. So, last month I learned something really important. If you ever think of copying someone's Python assignment, don't, because Python may forgive indentation errors, but it will never forgive plagiarism. Let me explain. It was the night before our Python submission. Everyone in my class had finished their assignment except me, of course, because I had spent the entire week doing what every productive student would do before deadlines. Scrolling reels entitled Study Motivation, Watch This Before Exams. At 10 p.m., panic hit me like an exception error. I texted my friend Kavya and said, Bro, I'm stuck. Can you send me the code? To which she replied, Okay, but make some changes, don't copy directly. Now, I may not be a great programmer, but I am creative. So, I changed everything. Sum became addition, X became banana, and I even added a comment saying written completely by Aditi, not copied at all. It was perfect. I felt like a criminal mastermind. Next morning, Manish sir came and said something that still haunts me. Class, today I ran each student's assignment in front of everyone. I swear, my soul left my body. I looked down and said, Good luck, idiot. One by one, students went up. The programs ran smoothly. No error, no drama. Then he called my name. I walked up smiling like someone on trial. I plugged my pen drive, opened the file, and prayed silently. Dear Python, please be kind. Manish sir clicked run. For a glorious 2 seconds, everything seemed to be fine. But then, instead of printing my output, the screen flashed this line. Hello sir, this is Kavya's code. Aditi just renamed the variables. The entire class went silent and then came the laughter that echoes in your brain forever. The Manish sir turned to me slowly and said, Aditi, care to explain? To which I replied, Sir, it's a glitch. Yes, a moral glitch. That day, I didn't just lose marks. I lost trust, dignity, and the will to ever copy again. Because Kavya had secretly added this line at the end of her assignment just in case someone tried to copy. That day, I silently stared at my laptop screen. The Python logo looked back at me like, you brought this on yourself. And that was right, because when you copy someone's Python code, you don't just miss marks, you miss the learning, the logic, and the fun chaos of fixing your own bugs. From that day, I have never eluded any Python assignment. Not because I'm scared of Manish sir, but because I'm terrified of what my laptop screen would print next. From that day, whenever my friend says, let's copy together, I just tell them, you guys go ahead, I have already been starred in that horror movie. Since that day, I have never ever eluded my Python assignment again. Hope you like the story.